What's up, guys? Welcome to Breckenridge with some fresh snow. I'm looking at it now. It looks like there's 2 or 3 inches. Surprise powder day, kind of, because we didn't think we were gonna get a bunch of snow. So you know we're gonna throw snow in our faces, and then we'll probably ride some park. And there's not a lot open, so we're just gonna keep ripping and have the most fun possible. So get ready for a sick day. Woo! Oh yeah, this is Tommy, by the way. He's my friend. Oh heck yeah, man.
What's going on,
dude,
man?
Those are sick gloves. There we go. Are you sure you're ready?
4 hours later. It's a terrible idea. You're either gonna be really good at it or really bad at it. You're probably gonna be good at it because you catch an edge anyways. Probably gonna be bad because you catch an edge, so.
Why would you do that? You want me to try it? I'm really terrified to try that trick.
Okay, do you know what an MJ is?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your center of mass? Downhill or not? Slow is good. Yes! Dude! There!
You almost landed 90.
I was practicing that from yesterday.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try what's called a bloody Dracula. I just figured out about this trick the other day. Not easy grab. Double tail grab, but instead of grabbing like this, you grab like this. It's nuts.
Wait!
Alright guys, so the other day I like celebrated something that didn't make much sense. So Tommy, who just did it, has this incredible way when he's going down the hill, he can stop, like backwards. He goes like this, puts his heels in, like this, and then he doesn't fall down the mountain. Basically, it looks like this. He catches his heel edge, but stays up. So if this is down the hill, he goes. and that's why I celebrated, because it's so hard.
You gotta lift, you gotta be aggressive, dude. You can't be soft. It's gotta be quick. Oh no! That was quick. You can't slide. You literally don't slide back. You have to immediately put your heels in. There you go, except for don't fall over.
One more, guys.
You're trying this, you start actually oh!
Oh! That's why it's so hard. I'm sweating so bad now. I'm covered. Guys, this is Ken.
What's up, brothers?
Dude, I white-walled myself so hard. That was scary. Just like tree.
Dude, and I like saw it and there's nothing I could do.
Yeah. So, first day ever riding a powder in a camber board. It's difficult. Different, new leg burn, also powder. Gotta get my powder legs back in general. But still sick, still ripping. Time to hit a jump.
Okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a new life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. I am not friendly, I came for the paper, little baby, don't get it confused. I see them paying to play, they be paying for my I'm paying my dues. They cannot see me unless I'm on TV in times when they happen to turn on the news. I am not worried about you with the money, cause you cannot buy you with all of them views. I've been on 10 like 4th grade. Same but I'm more paid. Lame throwing more shade. But you know it don't faze me. I'm blowing out gas to the whole whip hazy. With a new chick cause my old crazy. Just a young player that the west side made me. But how could you blame me? And how could you tame me? You can't. Popping that you claim you a saint. Do what they can and they hate what they ain't. But I am the greatest, that ain't for debate. Raising the stakes and I'm eating them too. Hitters on deck, what you need them to do. All that talking, I leave it to you. Cause I gotta go, got a meeting at 2. Tell me why all of the shit that you're saying don't never match up with that.
Alright guys, so my lead foot was on fire. And so we don't have a lot of time today, so instead of wasting a run and taking a break, I'm just gonna go up the chairlift switch. So I can ride switch really well, but anytime I do this, it's the weirdest feeling in the world. But I'd rather not be soft, miss some runs, and do this. So while we're riding up backwards, is the best time to mention today's sticker shout out. We got Derek Barker, or 1230, got the gold evolution on the back of the Jeep. Looking so sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, if you want an evolution sticker, which we got the gold ones, which are quite honestly the sickest ones, they're all linked in the description, and then tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. Also, grab some snowboard gear like hoodies, sweaters, t-shirts, long sleeves. I'm wearing my long sleeve and a t-shirt right now. Dude, I'm sweating on the mountain. It's the warmest merch in the game. What's up, man? What's your name?
Charlie.
Alright guys, this is Chipmunk. Tommy's gotta go get his students, athletes, children, whatever you want to call them. He's doing as many cartwheels as he can before he throws up.
I hope it's more than one, because if we just do one, that's...
Charlie! Ah! It's all good, Charlie.
No, I was going in.
Dude, you were going hammer time.
Where's the craziest thing is I saw him and I was yelling at him as I'm in one. backflip.
Don't tell my mom. Don't tell mom. That was sick. I'm gonna miss you, dude.
Miss you, dude. That was fun. That was sick. Let's get it. Let's do it again sometime.
Probably another time soon.
Here's your backpack. I gotta go to work, boys. Make sure you guys are subscribing to his channel because he puts out daily vlogs. Literally 365 days a year. It blows my mind. And high five to you. I'm
Tomie, hold on. You make YouTube videos.
Sorry, and it's my first day.
And subscribe to Tomie's channel. Follow his Instagram. Check out his snowboard course. All in the description. Goodbye. Goodbye, dude. We're gonna go try and find some powder real quick. Alright, so my attempt to find powder didn't work. There's not much out there. Especially since, I mean, a lot more people showed up. This compared to first run, it's like night and day. Seriously though, guys, what a sick day. I am super stoked on how fun today was. Fresh powder in the morning. The park was still super sick and me and Tomie just had a ton of fun. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. But I want to take a second and give a shout out to our new Patreon supporter. If you guys don't know, I have a Patreon page. It's how I do YouTube full time. All the donations that come to my Patreon is huge. Whether it's $1, $5, all of it allows me to snowboard. And for each donation, there is a tier and you get something back in return. Like you can read my weekly blog. I post really cool snowboard videos there. I have a snowboard 101 course, or you can shred with me, which is a super sick option. So check out the Patreon page. But I want to give a shout out to Caleb, who just jumped on the Patreon. Dude, thank you so much for the support. It means the world to me, dude. And I know you're going to enjoy it, man. So thanks for jumping on board and supporting the dream. So Breckenridge isn't doing Dew Tour, but over here, they're putting this huge stage up and they're doing some type of concert, like Dew Tour concert or like Mountain Dew concert. So that's sick. So I know on the jumps I didn't do anything crazy today. I did want to come out and try and do a 720 today, but there really wasn't much of an option. The speed wasn't really there. I definitely could have spun the first one, like a back three and everything, but when I spin in a 7, I want to be able to see and all that stuff. That's one of my higher tricks. So not the day for it. So I did try a new trick though, the Bloody Dracula. Did not get it, but we're gonna get that trick at least once. That trick looks sick. Now guys, I do need a filmer because me and Tomie shared hits and everything. Like the guy that was supposed to come through and film every day with us, it just didn't work out, or it's not working out currently. Plus he got a little broke off. So we need a filmer for sure, like to come out every single day with us. If that is something you can do, and it's just tough because like I can't pay, but if you want to come out and support the dream and be able to hold a camera, even if you maybe can't do it daily, but you can do it often. We're looking for local kids who understand how to film, that are solid riders, like got to be able to like go off the jump line with us, everything like that, as well as can ride almost every day, almost all day, and can go to Vail, Icon, and go to a lot of places. Let me know. I know there's a lot to ask of someone, and I know there's a lot of like, that's a ton, like Icon, Epic, this, travel, that, it's a lot. So I'm definitely able to like work with it, but it's something where me and Tomie do want to find like a super solid person. Maybe we'll do tryouts. And so it's one of those things where you come out, you ride, you show us how sick you are, it's working out really good. There will be an opportunity in the future for a full-time filmer that we pay and stuff like that. So I don't know. I just want to drop that. It's kind of heavy. I don't know. We definitely need a filmer for the channel though. Like me and Tomie are getting it done for sure, but we are definitely getting less reps and less riding than we want to do. Because we're taking turns on each run and everything. So if you want to come rip with us and you can film and you're solid, let us know. So now don't tell Tomie, but Tomie has been making stickers. He wants to get into the sticker game. He's doing essentially what I'm doing. He does snowboard coaching, but he's definitely growing an audience. He wants to monetize it, wants to sell stickers. So if you're interested in getting any of Tomie's stickers, we got Killing It and Snowboard Boss. These are his two sayings. He's like, oh, we got here Killing It. And then he's always like, I want to help you become a snowboard boss. So if you want to support Tomie, hit the boy up. He gave me these stickers. I'm gonna help him ship them out and stuff. But if you guys want to support Tomie, snack some stickers. His sticker link will be in the description. But don't tell Tomie I sent you. And with that, Team Huckhouse, thank you for shredding with me. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliffhanger, yes, I so do. Banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the new.
You did all that just to not pull out your phone?